Guys, I want to introduce you to my DJI AIR2s LUTs. The first one is the Sunset LUT. I love this. This is a beautiful LUT for sunset shots, and this increases saturation and vibrance with a slight boost in contrast. It lowers the highlights without there being any grain, and it is going to enable you to get fantastic looking sunset shots and will transform that video even during golden hour. It's a fantastic LUT. The Forest LUT boosts contrast and shadows to add details to the trees and to the leaves as well, to add fantastic detail in the shots. It also decreases any highlights, so you're not going to get that overexposed image, gives you extra punch. Now, you know what I love a beach shot, so we want saturation, we want pop, and we want details, and this is what the beach LUT does. Bags of teal for those beautiful looking waters in your beach shots, while also bringing the highlights down, and this will then add details to make your image look better. There's no blown out overexposed images here. This LUT will decrease the exposure, it will bring those highlights down, also increasing the shadows to get some lovely looking detail and contrast in your shot. The Cine Lut is a really popular LUT from the Mini 2-pack, and this brings everything down to have this really moody and chilled look. So if it's quite an overexposed image, you can get that cinema look by increasing the contrast, some pop to your image, but also have that moody vibe. Set and forget is literally drag and drop. It's a one click and your image is going to look better. So you don't need to alter the slider on here. You can use this with 100%, and straight away by adding this onto your DJI AIR2s footage, it's going to look better. There's going to be basically more pop to your image. The image is going to have more contrast, more detail straight away without ever doing anything else. Literally 1 second and it's better. The Cali Lut is the really popular teal and orange look. So we've got really vibrant blues and oranges in your detail. So you can use this for beach shots, you can use it for golden hours, you can use this in so many different footages for that really popular orange and teal look that you see all over YouTube. The Boost LUT is like set and forget times 100. So this is going to add loads of vibrance and saturation to your shot. It's also going to bring the highlights completely down to add lots of contrast. So you can completely transform the image and then go even crazier with those colors to make everything stand out even more. This is an awesome LUT. How much are these LUTs? Are they available? Well, they're available right now. Link in the description down below. They work with pretty much every editor that you can use, and they're only $14.99. So I hope you enjoy them, guys. Go and check these out. These are specifically made for the DJI AIR2s, which has quite a flat color profile using Rec 709. We're going to go and check them out and support the channel. $14.99. We'll get them today. And also, for watching this, does add DM Welcome 2S. I'll write in the description below. Get an extra 10% off as well for the first 20 people. Take care, guys. Bye bye.